Now I'll be explaining the ML model part which we have implemented in this problem statement. The ML model is categorized further into supervised as well as unsupervised model. The unsupervised model will be used for real-time monitoring and real-time anomaly detection, whereas the supervised model will be used for future predictive analysis and failure forecasting. The unsupervised model which we have used in this implementation is the isolation forest model because it is fast, highly interpretable, works well with new unseen anomalies as well as it is it works well with large amount of data. The online XGBoost model is a powerful supervised algorithm but is different from the traditional XGBoost because the traditional XGBoost is a batch based, means it requires training on a fixed dataset and cannot be efficiently used for adapting to new incoming data. On the other hand, the XGBoost supports incremental learning. The normal XGBoost or the traditional XGBoost requires the entire model from scratch when the new data arrives. Hence, there is always training for required for that model. Whereas the online XGBoost continuously updates the model as new data streams or new inputs gets added, hence reducing the overall computational overhead. Then the cross-environment awareness from both the model will be considered for on-premises server, cloud-hosted APIs, and multi-cloud environments. We have implemented a small isolation forest model code. In this, there is a input file called as trace.json, which consists of important features and attributes of the API. Also, we have few other files such as the main anomaly detector.py, data loader, and the model.py, which consist of the isolation forest model. After running the code, we get the output in the form of this .json file. And we have focused on three important parameters: the trace ID, the span ID, and the response time. When the response time is higher or is isolated from the rest of the API response time, it will be assigned an anomaly score of -1. Means -1 means that now it is considered an anomaly and will be now stored in this .json format file.